Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. I hope you're all doing well. What are we on? It's 10:30 in the morning and we're on Tuesday. So we've got this wonderful, very cool little dimple lock from locknoob. Sorry about the hole. I drilled a hole into my finger yesterday. It's quite normal for me, I suppose. Yes, so off topic. A TSA YIF, no, it was 006 dimple lock. Now, obviously, these are not the securest locks in the world. I mean, they are just for luggage and won't be too difficult to break, I suppose. But I think this is absolutely fascinating and really cool for such a tiny little dimple lock. And I also, in fact, it's got a really nice open keyway. I'll show you the keys. And you bit in. It does work absolutely spot on, as it would do. Even comes with the little instructions. Travel more, TSA luggage. Please remember to get the key out and not to leave it in. Love your new lock. Share your opinion online. Very cool. So thank you, Ash, for sending me that. I'm going to use some dimple locks, which feel a little bit overkill for something so small, but this is a tiny little lock. Do we need this giant tension wrench? Because will it fit in there without causing any problems? That's what we're checking for. Yep, right. Let's do this in the vise as well. Give me 1 second. I just have to double check because I am left-handed. There's a little thing in the vise. Very cool little colour as well, actually. Orange. Make sure we don't over tighten it with it being such a small little lock. We don't want to press anything. No. There we go. Right. Let's get the size of this tension wrench. I could use a smaller one, but this does fit in there perfectly fine, so might as well, haven't we? I think it's a little bit lower so we can get a bit of a view inside. I don't think we can quite, but you never know. No. Sorry. There we go. Yeah, there's definitely overkill on the... See, I'm left-handed, and you're not even going to be able to see what I'm doing. So you can do it like that. Smaller tension wrench. Something not so intrusive. There we go. That was a little bit better. Got a little click off that bottom when you see that, and a little turn of the core. It's very tricky because I do this through the camera. Oh, got another click there. Yeah. And there we go, we're open. Basically, 3 little pins that I could feel. Just unzoom out there. So, yeah, it was a fun little pick. It's a great little lock. Yeah, good look in there, you can see in there. Got pins top and bottom. You can see them all in there, but yeah, it's a very, very cool lock. Definitely keeping this one, just for the fact that it's such a small, tiny little dimple lock. But yeah, and hey, remember these are a good dimple pick set as well, the Honest Dongs. I'll show you one that's not been touched. See the thickness on that, and how the edges are sharp. And then I got mine, and I smooth the edges down and filed this one down. This is because with me being left-handed, I filed the pick on both sides, so it's equally smooth on both sides, and there's no left or right-handed on this one. If you look at that one, see the flag lines on the bottom. Well, it can lie on the top, I suppose, but this one is dead in the centre. But the main one I use out of all these set, there's only two I actually use. Is this one for pinning pins on multi-locks. You can see how to sand this one down. Little triangle on the end with a little flag, and then this one. Yeah, but these are the only two I actually use. The rest are still untouched. Never use them for anything. But I enjoyed that. It was just a quick and short but sweet video. It's a fantastic and very cool little lock. Like I say, it's going in my collection. We have one more left in the box from Ash now. It's a full euro. Let's see if we can get in that and see what we can do with it. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Everybody stay well. Bye. Don't forget to like.